have a safe walk maybe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bongchu Thailand channel. This channel will help you to discover all about Thailand. And today we are at the Doi Samur Dao. And we're gonna have a camping here. And behind me is an area for the camping. Let's go camping!
แป้งทะเลหมอกนี่ไหมเอานี่เลยไหม
And here is an area for the camping. If you didn't have a tent, you can rent at the office. And this is a rental tent. And if you have your own tent, that is an area for camping. And on top of the mountain, they have a viewpoint such amazing view. And at this area, you cannot cook at your tent. You have to prepare in another area that they prepare for cooking. Or you can buy some food and eat at in your tent. And so right now, we will go to see the viewpoint on the top of mountain. Let's go with me. And here, this is a Doi Samur Dao viewpoint on top of mountain. It's a beautiful view and also the panoramic view. And just beside, they have a lion headstone. And tomorrow we will come back here again to see the sunrise. And also, if we have a chance, you can see a sea frog here. Good morning. Now it's 6 a.m. We are going to see the sunrise. Let's see how it's beautiful.
so cold อุณหภูมิเท่าไหร่ Oh, it's just 10 Celsius. I have a safe walk maybe. นี่ทะเลหมอกด้วยมาฟังแล้ว That's it. So tired. I'm tired. Okay, this is right here. Wow, the sunrise and the safe park. The safe off rock. So nice.
Look, the say of rock. It stays belong between the mountain.
The sunrise is coming. Okay, look at this. Wow, here the view in the morning, 6 a.m. and with the sunrise. And today we are lucky to have a sea of rock.
The Samudra located in Sina National Park. They have amazing viewpoints like we see in the morning. And also this is the best place for camping. And on the way to Bangkok, we will visit at Sao Din Na Noi that is also located in Sina National Park. Let's see there. And here right now we are at Sao Din Na Noi. Sao Din Na Noi is a natural, beautiful that caused by a natural phenomenon, accumulation of the soil and water, and it's become like strange stock like this all around this area. Let's see it out. Nan is one of the most beautiful destinations in Thailand. There are many nature attractions and the weather is also cold all the year. So for who like the nature, you should visit Nan. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like, please give a thumb up and subscribe. And see you next video. Bye!